Maybe you'll grab it with this one. Wait, he's not really moving that arm as well. He might be a right-hander.
Good boy.
Good boy.
That tastes good?
Just spit. You want to eat that ring? Good job, bud. Oh. There we go. He's looking at it.
Good boy.
Good job. You're a big boy. What are you trying to say?
Do you have something to say? What's going on? Oh.
You love your ring? Oh, it's getting tired out.